Hello, this is Laz from Native Instruments. In this video, we will explain how to load user blocks in racks in REAKTOR version 6.4 or later. User blocks, whether you have downloaded them from the REAKTOR user library or built your own, can be loaded in racks and used alongside officially licensed blocks from Native Instruments and third-party manufacturers. User blocks benefit from full rack functionality including panel patching, view modes, the search box, and saving patches in the host project. After building a user block or downloading one from the REAKTOR user library, install it in the REAKTOR library by moving the ISM file into the user blocks folder on your hard drive. The default path on macOS for this is Macintosh HD, Users, your username, Documents, Native Instruments, REAKTOR 6, Blocks. On Windows, it is the C drive, Users, your username, Documents, Native Instruments, REAKTOR 6, and the Blocks folder. If you wish, you can change the location of the user blocks folder in REAKTOR's Preferences under the Directories tab. To add a user block to your rack, first open an existing rack or create a new one by choosing File, New Rack. Here, we load a rack that we have previously created called Quick Start Rack. Now, in the browser, go to the Library tab and click the user icon. Drag and drop the user block from the lower section of the Library tab into the rack's panel view. Your user block has now been added to the rack. Please note that you can also use the search box function to find and add user blocks to a rack. To do this, place the mouse cursor anywhere on the rack's panel view, left-click, and press Enter on your keyboard. Type in what you are looking for, and choose your entry by left-clicking it or by pressing Enter on your keyboard. If you have made changes to one of your own user blocks or downloaded an updated user block from the REAKTOR user library, it is recommended to keep the same file name and replace the existing file in the user blocks folder. Any rack referencing the original version of the user block will then automatically load with the updated one. Please note that changes made to the user block can affect the integrity of existing racks. To avoid this, ensure that the number of ports is identical and that the internal structure of the block has not changed fundamentally. Keep backup versions of your user blocks in order to be able to restore racks that rely on them.